The new eWheels EW-52 is the most powerful four-wheel mobility scooter on the market today and comes with a 700-watt brushless motor to help you get where you need to go fast. This scooter can reach top speeds of 15 miles per hour, can travel up to 40 miles on one single charge, and has a weight capacity of 500 pounds. A large windshield, rear view mirrors, and a foot brake makes for an easy, comfortable ride while running errands, making a trip to the mailbox, or just enjoying the sights and sounds of the neighborhood. You will find a lockable extra-large cargo box attached to the back of the executive seat with armrests that fold up and down for easy chair access, along with a twist throttle, key fob, and an easy accessible charging port. But what really sets the scooter apart from the rest is the push-button digital dashboard and its music system that features USB and 3 stereo speakers. It even has heavy-duty tubeless tires for added dependability. So if you like turning heads and cruising to the tunes, then the EW-52 mobility scooter has your name written all over it.